I think next 5 to 7 days, I think we should be in the position to declare the names. We want experienced people. We want young people also. See, we definitely would like to promote women. If possible, we will be happy to give both the seats also to women. There is no issue. So if you have good, capable women who can represent in both the constituencies, we will be more than happy to nominate both the ladies also. So I think we will try to reduce it to 3 at least. At least 3. 3 from both the talukas. We will try to do that.
लोकसभेचे उमेदवार ठरायल्या उपरांत पोटवेंचणुकेचे उमेदवार जाहीर करतले.
आम्ही बेसिकली चर्चा करतात तिन्ही बाय इलेक्शन आणि 2 लोकसभा. I think we should have a clarity in 5 to 10 days. I think the names of Lok Sabha will be first, because see, we have you know we right now we are fighting against the government and the party where nobody knows what is happening in the government itself. आम्ही सामके watchful रावपा पडटा ते कितें करतात ते exactly. So we don't know whether they are going for a suspended animation, whether they are going for a dissolution, or whether they are going for a by-election. But the way they are avoiding these by-elections, so anything can happen.
गोयची कॅबिनेट मीटिंग खंय फक्त कसिनो खातीरच. गिरीशान मुख्यमंत्र्याचेर फोग काढलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.